In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the rear view camera on your Chevy Silverado. This will be located inside of the tailgate. Let's get started. Remove the connector for the rear view camera. We're going to open the red locking tab. Push on the button, pull straight back, and remove the connector. There's going to be two of these plastic clips holding the wire for the rear view camera, one right here, and then one right above the tire. Open the clips and pull the wire out. Using a T15 bit, we're going to remove the 8 screws for the tailgate cover. Remove the cover. Using a T20 bit, we're going to remove the 2 screws for the rear view camera. Fish the camera out through the tailgate. I'm going to use a flexible claw tool to help me fish this harness back towards the back of the tailgate. Fish the connector into the bed. Install the camera down into place. Install the screws for the camera. Snug them down. Install the tailgate cover. Get all of the screws started. Snug down all of the screws. Install the connector, push that red lock down, install the camera harness into the plastic clips, and then close the clips down on it. You'll feel them snap into place. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.